Welcome! Today, we're going to learn how to properly clean and maintain your wigs, ensuring they look fabulous and last longer. Whether you have a new wig or an old favorite, this guide will help you keep them in pristine condition. Start by filling a bowl or sink with lukewarm water. It's important to avoid hot water, as it can damage the fibers. Carefully place your wig into the water, allowing it to soak for a moment. Next, add a few drops of white vinegar to the water. This helps to remove any buildup and odors. Then, add half a teaspoon of baking soda to gently cleanse the fibers. Gently mix the water to combine the ingredients, creating a light cleansing solution. If desired, you can also add a small amount of wig-safe shampoo and conditioner to the solution. This step helps to maintain the wig's softness and shine. Allow your wig to soak for at least 15 minutes. This will give the cleaning solution time to work. After soaking, carefully lift the wig out of the water. Rinse it thoroughly with lukewarm water to remove all cleaning solution. Make sure all the vinegar, baking soda, and shampoo are fully rinsed out to avoid any residue. Once rinsed, allow your wig to dry naturally. Place it on a wig stand or a clean towel to maintain its shape while drying. Once your wig is completely dry, you can use AHOSI WIG-SANI. This product is designed to sanitize, refresh, and maintain your wigs and hair extensions. Simply spray a light mist all over the wig, ensuring even coverage. This will help keep your wig smelling fresh and looking vibrant. And there you have it! With these simple steps, you can keep your wigs looking beautiful and well-maintained for a long time. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your fabulous hair!